morning, you are welcome to today's class. So in this class, we want to look at the solution to the just concluded WAEC Mathematics OBJ. So number one, so when you are solving OBJ, for that matter, and you see this kind of question, they say we should do it to 3 decimal places. 3 decimal places. You don't need to stress yourself for this kind of thing, and thank God WAEC give you a calculator. Just press it as you have it here on your calculator. So we have 4.314 times 0.000056. So then divided by 0.0067. So you get your now. And the question says to 3 decimal places. Look at it. 3 decimal places. 3 decimal places. This is where you are going. And this is decimal. So you count 3 number. It means 3 number, 3 digits after the decimal. So you have 1, 2, 3. So we are coming here, and you have to consider the number after this position as well. And since the number after this position is not up to 5, you can just write it down. And we say to 3 decimal places, it will now be 0.036. So please take note. And from this question, the correct option there is option B. Now, number 2 question says, there are 30 students in a class. There are 30 students in a class. 15 study woodwork and 13 study metalwork. 6 study neither of the 2 subjects. How many students study woodwork but not metalwork? When you see this question, you see that it's a question on set problem. So you can quickly draw your Venn diagram. And they said there are 30 students. Your universe set will be 30 there. And they said 15 study woodwork and 13 study metalwork. So you have to circle now, because that's 2 set problem, 2 circles intersecting each other. So one is woodwork. So you can let W be that, and that's 15 of them. And one is metalwork, the other is metalwork, and that's 13 of them. So you said 13 metal, 6 study neither of the 2 subjects. When 2 study neither of the 2 subjects, that one will be outside the 2 circles. How many students study woodwork but not metalwork? Now, before you can even calculate that, you need to balance this circle. There are some people that study both woodwork and metalwork. So let those one be X. And you can now find those that study woodwork only now. That will be 15 minus X, because this area is area for woodwork only. And this everything here is woodwork. So woodwork only now will now be 15 minus X. And the same way, metalwork only will be 13 minus X. So with that, let's find the value of X by adding everything in this circle with the one that is not in the circle. We equate it to the universe set, and we have 15 minus X plus 13 minus X plus 6 must give us 30. Now, here we have added these 3 terms plus 6 and give us 30. So we now simplify. Don't forget, very easy here. You can say minus X plus X as cancel out. Then you have 15 plus 13. 15 plus 13 there, that's 28. 28 plus 6, that will give you 34. So you now have 34 minus X equals to 30. So by the time you find your way to find X, this is minus X here, and you know I'm finding X. I can take this minus X to that side so that it will become plus. Then carry this 30 to this side to become minus 30. So we now have 34 minus 30 equals to x, and therefore 4 equals to x. 4 equals to x. That is, your x is 4. So your x is 4 here. You've known that your x is 4, and they said how many students study woodwork but not metalwork. Woodwork but not metalwork. So it means that woodwork but not metalwork means woodwork only, W only. Now when you look at this diagram, you can see that metalwork is entering the woodwork. So woodwork but not metalwork now is only this area. Only this area. Once I shade this area, it means metalwork is also part of it. Now this is woodwork but not metalwork. That is, in another way, is woodwork only now. So therefore, we can now say our woodwork only is 15 minus x, and our x is 4. That's 15 minus 4, and that is what? 11. So, and that is option C in our number 2. So that's option C now. So number 3 of the WAEC question, they said solve 2 raised to power 5x divided by 2 raised to power x equals to 5th root of 2 raised to power 10. So here WAEC wants to test your idea of indices. So you can apply the law of indices here and you get your answer very easily. So from here now, you have 2 raised to power. When you have the same base, you know your law of indices. When you have the same base and they are dividing, that means we subtract their index. That's 5x minus x, then equals to, we can rewrite this in another format. That's fractional index. You can say this is 2 raised to power 10 over 5. It's also part of the law of indices. So therefore, here reduce to 2 raised to power 5x minus x, that's 4x, equals to 2 raised to power 2 now, because you have 10 over 5 there, becomes 2. Then, of course, this base can cancel out and we equate the power. We have 4x equals to 2. Then divide both sides by 4 to get x. That means x equals to 2 over 4. And when you reduce it, that's x equals to 1 over 2. So, from the option there, that's also option C. Then number 4, it says solve 1 plus cube root of x minus 3 equals to 4. So from there also on indices, we see that this is 1. We can try to bring 1 to the other side as to collect the lifetime, and this will become cube root of x minus 3 equals to 4 minus 1. Because when I bring this one here, it becomes minus. That's 4 minus 1, and 4 minus 1 is 3. And to get rid of this cube root, like the opposite of cube root is a cube. So cube will cancel cube root, and I must apply that cube to both sides of the equation now. So find the cube root of both sides now. Cube root will cancel. Find the cube of both sides now rather. Cube on this side will cancel cube root. So we now have x minus 3 equals to 3 cube. So I've taken the cube of both sides. The cube on this side cancel the cube root. Then 3 cube, you know 3 cube will give us 3 times 3 times 3. So that's of course 27. That's x minus 3 equals to 27. And by the time you collect the like terms, you can see that you carry this minus 3 here, also become plus, and that is x equals to 27 plus 3, and that's x equals to what? 30. So that's question number 4. In question number 5, they said express 7 in base 5. This is number-based question. So we are to express a number from 413 base 7 in base 5. You should note that you can't move directly from base 7 to base 5. There is need for you to change from base 7 first to base 10. Expand this one into base 10 and you have 4 times 7. You know this will be raised to power 0, 1, 2, and that's 4 times 7 raised to power 2 plus 1 times 7 raised to power 1 plus 3 times 7 raised to power 0. So you change it to base 10 that way, and you know that 7 raised to power 2 there is 49. 7 raised to power 1, that's 7. 7 times 1, also 7. Plus 7 raised to power 0 is 1. 1 times 3, we give us 3. So by the time 206 there, so this is in base 10 now. And this is not what the question asked us. We are changing to base 5. So therefore, bring this one back now. When you change from base 10 to any base, you tabulate this way. And you have 206. Then you change to base 5. 5 will go here. So you can do it small. 5 is this. So you write the remainder. We are after the remainder here. So remainder 1. Also 5 in 41. 5 in 40. We can get 5 in 40. That's 8. Then that's remainder 1 as well. Then 5 in 8. 5 in 8. That's 1. That's remainder 3. Now 5 in 1. You can't stop here. Since you say 5 in 8, that's 1. Then remainder 3. That's not the final answer. Until this place is 0. So when you say 5 in 0 in 1 now, it can't go. That's 0. Then remainder 1. So remainder 1. Then we now write our answer from bottom up. Bottom up. We write our answer bottom up, and that's 1, 3, 1, 1 to base 5. So therefore, the question asked, which is 413 base 7, is now equal to 1311 base 5. So we stop at number 5. Do well to subscribe to this channel so that you can continue with us. In the next class, we are going to start from number 6. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day. Bye.